Good morning everyone, welcome back to the garden house build. So today we are going to be laying the concrete floor. We've prepared the ground, leveled it, and also given it a layer of sand as well and compacted it down. So what we're doing right now is we're just laying down the damp proof course, aka the DPC, which is there to protect the concrete floor from water penetration, rising damp from below. Then we're gonna install 75mm insulation, rigid board insulation, and 75mm of concrete, and that will be the job for today. So let's get on with it and we'll see you at the end. So guys, we got our concrete done, and we got it done half day for us today. Mission accomplished. That's all we can do today. So as you can see, we've got insulation down, got our DPC down, and we have poured it and leveled it off, rolled it off. So we're gonna let that dry. We're gonna give that 2 days. Tomorrow we won't be here because we are waiting blocks and there's a shortage, so they won't be coming until possibly late tomorrow. So we'll wait and we'll be back here the following day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you soon. Take care.